Oh, you're back. You like it here? We love bringing entertainment to you, so we're on mutual grounds. This week on PBCJ's E-Volve, Jacure returns to court, Usain Bolt creates lyrical track for SSL, Kingston Blends highlights, some new music, plus a lot more. I'm your host, Alicia. Let's dive right into it. Reggae artist Secretary Jacure Alcock's lawyers have appealed the court's ruling that he should be acquitted on attempted murder charges due to his current stabbing case in Netherlands, and a date has been set for the hearing on January 24th, 2023. Jacure was convicted on March 22nd after several voice notes and text messages were entered into evidence by the prosecutors. He was sentenced to 6 years in prison for attempted manslaughter. But the conviction was appealed by the country's public prosecution service, where they want Jacure to be sentenced to 8 years in the jail for attempted murder. Jamaicans are still reeling from the shock of worldwide sprint legend, or very own ambassador, Usain St. Leo Bolt, being defrauded by almost $12 million. He had that amount, almost 2 billion Jamaican dollars, in his account last October, but now it only has about 1.8 million Jamaican dollars. Bolt has given Stocks and Securities Limited, SSL, 10 days to return his missing funds or face criminal and civil action. Dancehall artist Baby Sham took to social media to voice his opinion on the scandal.
Jamaica, what really a going? Or someone like Usain Bolt that has given the country so much, you know what I mean? And has done so much for the country, tourism and a whole, just giving so much joy to the people. How them can fraud this money of him retirement money? You don't look good. Not looking good at all. You know what I mean? We need to step up, we need to speak up. What they're gonna do to make sure that Usain Bolt can smile. You know what I mean? He deserves that. He has given all of us so much joy. You know what I mean? And done so much for the country. This is Jamaica, do better.
Usain has also taken to social media saying, quote, "In a world of lies, where is the truth? The history of evil, what is the root? Money, hashtag cryptic world."
Where are the critical thinkers? It's time for action, stop pointing fingers. Show me the business plan, Mr. Businessman. You're not businessman. Selling out is a decision, you do your business wrong. Like appendix, them serve no purpose. Setting policies just to hurt us. Clowning around just like a circus. I joked it. Times are getting dread. Earth is running red. It's a cryptic world, it is designed to stress you head.
Jamaican singer Dexter Daps said on Instagram, and I quote, "Might not know the full story, but I know you're clean, my bro. God always continue your beautiful journey as a Jamaican icon all over the world. And get a youth them role model. We support you," end quote. I told you all last week that it's an amazing jump off for dancehall artist Shenseea this year. She was nominated for a 2023 NAACP Image Award for Outstanding International Song, alongside Burna Boy, Chris Brown, Wizkid, Thames, and Davido. The voting mechanism is fan-based, and fans can start voting now until February 10th. The NAACP Image Awards winners will be revealed during a 2-hour live show on February 25th, 2023. The award show is returning this year with in-person attendance for the first time since the pandemic started. Congrats, Shenseea. Win, lose, or draw, big up you. South Trinidad Massive, is you ready for Kes the Band concert dub Is We? that's scheduled to take place on Valentine's night. It is said that the Brian Lara Stadium will be blown away by a night filled with cultural festivities with an additive of cultural village to appease fans and for a better experience and enjoyment. South Trinidad, it's going to be a jamming fete with acts such as Lord Nelson, Jimmy October, Jamaica's very own Shaggy, plus a ton load of other acts. I'd go grab my tickets now because it's going on sale. No, that's an event to experience. Joseph Joe Mercer Marley, reggae artist and late son of reggae heavyweight Stephen Marley, has been laid to rest early on Tuesday, January 17th. Members of the Marley family and close friends was fully dressed in white attire. The funeral proceedings was held at his late grandfather, Bob Marley Museum, for an Ethiopian Orthodox farewell to Joe Mercer, who died suddenly in Florida on December 27. Rest easy, Joe Mercer. Almost everyone these days wants to live a healthier lifestyle, from transforming themselves into gym junkies to eating healthier. On the eating healthier side, not all healthy meals are tasty, but this Kingston Blends food, nice, bad. Founder Michael with his team had this to say about the business.
My name is Jamon Palmer. You can call me Michael. I'm the founder and CEO of Kingston Blends, also the head chef. And basically everything where you can think about to operate the business. Once a Kingston Blends, you talk about me. And that's just it. Kingston Blends basically healthy salad shop on wheels, mobile unit. So we deal with just strictly healthy food. We don't really go the curry goat, the white rice, them thing there, and put like a vegetable on the side. So we give you curry chickpea, curry veggie chunks, them thing there. So we try to do it healthy. Anything we try to put ourselves in, we do the healthier way. So if you have the rice, we go callaloo rice, pumpkin rice. When I get regular white rice, I will get brown rice. So we try to just add it up, spice it up. We see that a lot of Jamaicans like the vegan stuff, so we try to incorporate that in it. So we have like a vegan burger where they get a veggie meat in it. Just, vegan, so nothing in it or them not forget. We do mostly our chickens and chicken sauce and stuff like that. We don't do it the bland way. Try to do it like how you do it a yard, season it up from overnight, put in a little and chop it up wicked, make it soak. We do it like how we cook get our food, but the healthier way. So we just make it unique to the customer. We give the customer an opportunity to make for them things. So them tell what them want, what them don't want, how them want it. We try to build a relationship with them so them know. So when them call, yo, same order yes them want back. So we know that. So we try to build a relationship. We try to put the customers first at all times. The team basically consists of just me, my lady, mother, cashier, and some delivery personnel. We try to make it like a family settings, We're not big, as you can see. I mean, the entire unit is made from like recycled material. So we just try to be small. So because we're so small, we just try to be like a family. But we're currently looking to get a space where I want to add. Hence the reason we have to build this. So when you know now where I rent, reach out to me. Alright, so currently we're in 31 Rushworth Avenue, that's in Waterhouse. And now, just get it out there. Which part of Waterhouse down a bad area. So all of my customers them will call and I say, yo, bad place, not they going to the fire. Like that. And call ahead. So when you come, food ready, and have to itch down the freight. Get it, go. So in a Waterhouse. For someone who's opening a business, I would say follow what you know and follow the big brands. So do your research. Don't just jump into it because it's like money they find as a little niche. Do your research because when you actually start, a totally different ballgame than when you just a think on it. And as I say, follow the big brands. Them pay the money for R&D already, so you can see where they might do to make them better, and then you just use that tone it down to the level you can afford. Don't go too far with the budget, because most of the time you might not have a budget, okay, just a start. Nobody going to loan thing too much, because that will slow you down as well. Alright, so the menu is on the site at kingstonblends.com, and it's on Instagram in the highlight section. You can order on Instagram, you can call us, or you can WhatsApp us. And you can order on the website as well, and on Google. So wherever, we try to make it as easy as possible. And we offer payments, Zelle, Cash App, PayPal, Scotia to Scotia, Sagicor, and Link. We're not just NCD yet. We're working on that. You just go on Instagram, place the order, or call us, place the order, we'll send you the information, transfer the funds. You send us a screenshot that you did so, we confirm it already. You tell which way you want it, go out there, or we drop it off. Done. Nothing more. Alright, so we're on Instagram, Kingston Blends JA. We're on the website, www.kingstonblends.com. I think we're everywhere actually. You just watched E-Volve. It's Michael from Kingston Blends. Tune in live.
Vinyl, laser, and screen print has been around in the fashion industry for a long time. To many, it's the easier way to design, especially on t-shirts. But fashion designer Jamoy begs to differ, and he had this to say.
My name is Jamoy Willis. I operate and own the clothing line Jam Slang Clothing. Jam Slang Clothing is a clothing brand. We offer all types of clothing, from customized t-shirts to sweaters to hats to shoulder bags, and we're starting to make pants as well, sweatpants and shorts. I chose fashion because of my creativity and my love for style. I chose it because of my ability to create something out of nothing when it comes to that field. I'm from Portland, and being in Portland, you know, the number one thing that everyone loves about Portland is the beaches, right? Beaches, tropical with a lot of trees, the palm trees, the jellies. So this has impacted my designs tremendously because persons tend to gravitate to Portland because of the trees and the beaches. So persons gravitate to my brand because of the uniqueness of me being able to create something out of where I'm from to give them. So my cousin had a brand, and I gravitated to fashion from his brand and prints from his brand. My favorite design is the tropical design. This design was created by MKS, one of my fellow business partners, and myself. My designs are inspired by everyday life, basically. The things that are right in front of us, the things that everybody gravitates to. It could be a motor vehicle, it could be a palm tree, it could be the road, but I just have the creativity to make that into something great. So that is what inspires me. My nowadays lifestyle. Just me going out, going on different adventures, going out with friends, chilling with friends. That has impacted my business a lot because it helps my creativity to see that I can move forward in creating huger stuff or better stuff. My number one advice to anybody is to do what you love. Be creative. Find something that you're passionate about and make it creative. Do not copy anybody's style because you see that what they are doing is working for them. You might not know how far they have come with their designs or their creativity, right? You might not know what their experience have been. So just do what you love and what you're passionate about. The skills I think are, obviously creativity is one of them, diversity, being able to make something not just one person would like or two persons, but everybody can gravitate to it, and the skill to think outside the box while doing this business. So this business is located in Portland. It's mainly online based, but we have a location in Portland. That's Shop 6 Whites Plaza. And we do deliveries via Knutsford or zip mailing.
bubbly and genuine personality with a love for all things people and God, Alaine took the time out to talk with us about music, the industry, and her future plans. This is what she had to say.
Hello, my name is Alaine. I am a singer, songwriter, producer, radio personality, TV personality, and lover of life and good things. Alaine from the heart is a lover of God. Alaine from the heart recognizes that everyone else is filled with that same spirit of God, and therefore I love people, because I believe that we are all filled with the potential to be love and beauty. And so what I bring to the world because of that, because I operate from that place, is an intention to make people smile, to make people remember how beautiful they are, to make people feel the limitless spirit that lives within them, and for them to express it, whether it is by dancing or singing or crying, because it's all beautiful and it's all for healing. So that's who I am from the heart. My music nice, me love it, and I hope that other people love it as well. My music is my heart and my soul. My mother tells me that from as a little baby, the only thing that could soothe me was when she sang to me. And she said she remembers many times when she was singing and, I'd fall asleep and she'd remember and she'd forget that and, or figure that I was asleep. And the moment she stopped singing, we start to bawl again. And so music is soothing, and it's healing, and it is joy, and it is expression. And so the music that I create is stories of things I've experienced, stories of situations that I have witnessed and then turn it into music. Stories about my friend them, I taught them business, so them stop share it with me. And just a feel good, realistic expression of life. That's my music. My baptism, a lot of people think that when I got baptized I'd become a gospel artist, and that was never my intention. My intention for baptism was just a public declaration that, hey, some I love God big time and deep and keep it moving, and so the music I create and continue to create will always glorify God, will always talk about love and good vibes and overcoming and life. And so in that way, it continues to grow and to be a representation of where I am in my life. If I Have Faith is my brand new song, and we love it so much. And I love it because it's the story of my life. It is the story of so many of our lives, where life is joy and pain and rising and falling and getting up and trying again. Life is bad mind and good mind. Life is up and down, and still we continue to move forward because we have faith. Because faith can move mountains, the substance, the evidence of things not seen, the substance of things hoped for. And so we don't know where this drive is coming from, but it is so powerful, and it's bigger than some of the mountains that you can see. And so I wanted people to hear this and to really feel it in their spirits, because life can be so heavy, but guess what? Faith is stronger. And so I will always sing music that lifts us out of those pits or out of those feelings like, Lord, I'm down now, so I'll never be up. No, you don't know. So now it's time to get up. Just like that man over there is getting up and scraping the chair on the floor. Same way so. And so we will continue to rise if we focus on that which will lift us, which is faith, hope, and love, and all the good things. The internet makes it much easier for people to find you, to hear your music, to be discovered. And so it has made the industry flooded with music. First of all, it's easier for people to say things and to comment, and so we're a comment-centric world, and a lot of people have so much things to say right now, and that's all right, because you have to have tough skin when you enter this industry. I think that the internet has been good and it has been bad, but I think that it's very important for us to take the good and to make use of it in order to make our music heard all over the world. It's much easier. Everybody is on their phone, so just find a way to get their attention and your life can change. So give thanks for it. If I could change anything about the industry, it would be just more unity. More unity. I think that together we are so much stronger. And yeah, that would be it. I'm so excited about what I've been creating, coming at you full force with lots of releases, videos, good vibes, good energy, bringing myself with hope and faith and love and joy and all of me. And I encourage you to do the same in whatever it is that you're doing in your life. Bring all of you, because your unique gifts and talents matter, whatever they are. Bring them 100% with a heart expecting good things. And that is what I intend for 2023. Link me, I'm always on IG at Alaine Singer, ALAINESINGA, and that's across all social media platforms, because everybody when them see me, them say singer, or they also say, where your mother there? And so yeah, you can talk to me. People link me every day. I answer DMs, some of them, because some of them outside. But the ones that are not, we talk and there's a good interaction between me and my fans and my friends, and you know, even people that not necessarily any of the above, but I give thanks for all of it, you know, and recognize that it is all a blessing. If you are ever somebody who has been a dreamer and you go from a place where you're unknown to being known, always be grateful. And I live there. I live in that space of gratitude, and I hope you do too, because what that's going to do is open doors for amazing blessings to continue to rise, and more reasons for you to give thanks. So thank you. I'm looking forward to hearing from all of you. Thanks so much for having me.
Let's up the vibe a little bit with this week's new music. We feature Governor with Eternal Life, Valiant featuring Stark Ashley with Narcissist, Rust featuring Shal Marshall with Soca People, Dina Crazy with New Year, and I Care with Loyalty. Take a look.
About eternal life, get a youth, keep your meds firm and right. Members say Judas, they turn pan Christ. Me not put no trust in on a friend, me put my trust in on me. On the Bible and the church, black Christ. From the ashes come the phoenix, from the dead man rise. Feelings, and when me and you and leave
you
me.
respect me for done, would I do anything for ya?
Just
baby, I'm sure I can't do this anymore.
Year every year of my year, me used to lose, we'll leap a time waste. I play the game, become the pioneer. Separate the fame, look all like scares.
I give you all of my trust, and you never give me no credit. But I give my life for you, but you would have some did it. If you want it, then I got it. If I got it, then you get it. But you couldn't accept it, give my love, then regret it. We wasted so much time, but I guess I learned my lesson.
Thanks for watching another episode of PBCJ's E-Volve. I'm your host, Alicia. Remember to follow us on all socials at PBCJamaica. Also, if you have a story to share, email us at asteele@pbcjamaica.org. A big thanks to Hair Addiction Collections, and remember to follow them on all socials at Hair Addiction Collections. Love and be loved, and remember to live an entertaining lifestyle.